Ó ga o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ó tún ti ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí. Agbófinró Fẹ́mi Falana ti wọ gàù. Ó ti wọ gàù lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà báyìí o. Látàrí wípé ó ní pé gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n lọ ibiṣẹ́, gbogbo àwọn tán ní pé àwọn fẹ́ lòdì sí iṣẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Nigerian Labour Congress, pé anybody tí ò bá lọ sí ibiṣẹ́ o fún ọjọ́ méjì or tó bá lọ pé ọ̀sẹ̀ kan tí wọ́n bá rí wọn ibiṣẹ́, pé kí wọ́n gbàgbé owó oṣù yẹn. According to nǹkan tí Fẹ́mi Falana ń sọ, ó ní gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n lọ fún strike, tán lọ tẹ̀lé àwọn Labour Congress máa ṣe strike kiri, pé tí wọ́n bá ti rí wọn lẹ́nu iṣẹ́ fọ́jọ́ méjì or ọ̀sẹ̀ kan, pé kán gbàgbé owó oṣù yẹn nìyẹn o. Àwọn èèyàn wá bẹ́ síta pé máì àròbéyàn gidi ni ẹ ṣá, àṣọ lórí burúkú ni ẹ, kò dẹ̀ ní dáa fún ẹ, ó ti yé wa, ó dẹ̀ pera ẹ ń sàn. So nǹkan tó ń sọ rèé, pé káwọn èèyàn kí ìyà máa jẹ wọ́n, kán má jáde, kán má béèrè fẹ́tọ̀ wọn, ó tiẹ̀ ti dáa. Nǹkan táwọn èèyàn wá ń pariwo sí, everybody wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bú máa yìí o. Fẹ́mi Falana tó jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn máa ń pariwo pé èèyàn gidi ni, nǹkan tá à ń sọ nìyẹn o. Tó bá ṣáà ti lè sọ pé wọ́n Nàìjíríà ló fẹ́ kú sí, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi, ẹ jẹ́ ká má tanra wa o. Kò sí nǹkan tó ń pè ní wọ́n Nàìjíríà, because gbogbo wọn, anybody tá ti lè gbé sípò kan sí ìkejì nínú wọn, wọ́n máa gbàgbé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ni o, wọ́n máa gbàgbé àwọn àbúrò wọn, wọ́n á gbàgbé àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n wọn. Ìdí tá fi ń pariwo pé wọ́n Nàìjíríà nìkan ló lè ṣe nìyẹn o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ jẹ́ kí n ka kíní fún yín láti inú ìwé ìròyìn, ṣùgbọ́n máa kà ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì. A dúpẹ́ pé àwọn tó ń gbọ́ èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì wọ́n pọ̀ nù wa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn. According to the news reaching us, Femi Falana has now been in a very big mess. Yes, Femi Falana is now in a hot soup. Well, with the news reaching us, it says, and I quote, "For those of you on strike, if strike lasts 2 days or a week, you will not be able to earn any salary for that month." According to what Femi Falana said, he said, if your so-called strikes, if it lasts 2 days or a week, you will not be paid any salary. And a lot of people have actually frowned on this one. Well, the news in details. Well, according to Femi Falana, a senior advocate of Nigeria, he has spoken about the recent strike by the organized labor, and then he explained that according to the law, workers who go on strike will not be paid their salaries for the days they are on strike. Well, meanwhile, he said, however, the government decided not to punish the workers this time because it recognizes the strike as legitimate. Meanwhile, in a video shared by Channels TV, Falana highlighted the judgment of Justice Benedict Kanyip in the case between the Academic Staff Union of Universities, ASU, and the federal government. Although this one is said, in that case, the judge decided that if a worker in Nigeria goes on strike, whether the strike is legal or not, they will not receive their salary or allowances for the duration of the strike. Meanwhile, in Falana words, for those of you on strike, if the strike lasts 2 days or a week, you will not be paid your salary. That is what the law is saying. But the government said, we are not going to penalize you because it is a legitimate strike. All right, and then this is exactly what is actually reaching us. But although this one, it has never all gone. In fact, it did not all go well with Nigerians, because Nigerians have actually raised eyebrow concerning what Femi Falana has said so far. Now, concerning what Femi Falana has said so far, everybody is reacting. Somebody made it clear that, well, this is animal kingdom. Falana is a pure hypocrite, okay? San, my foot. Back in the days, 2012, Falana and then co-staged a protest in Lagos because President Jonathan removed subsidy from 65 naira to 145 naira. They called him all manner of names. I wonder why Falana and the co kept quiet with the way President Tinubu is running the country economy. Well, imagine out of hunger they got mind to comot 90 billion naira for Hajj. Okay, yes, I think that's another strong one that everybody needs to look into and then to understand where he or she belongs. Now, in a country whereby a lot of people are hungry, you can imagine in a country whereby there is hardship everywhere, that majority of people could not even eat 1 square meal a day. That's the same country we are seeing the government sending out 90 billion naira for Hajj. Hey, my brother, my sister, it is not funny at all. Coughing out open sum of 90 billion naira for Hajj. And a lot of people have asked that question. All this Hajj that they have been going, why is it that the country is still in shambles? Because if it is by Hajj, I think we should have good people in the country. But the reverse has been the case. A lot of people have actually reacted in different forms onto that. That as far as this country is concerned, we have said it times with that number, the only solution is separation, going our separate ways. Either they like it or not. Well, according to Telum Mesega, I say, well, I don't mind all those beer parlor talks anyway. I don't know why this man is talking like this. Maybe old age has come, referring to Femi Falana anyway. Falana, you talk too much, okay? According to what this person is trying to say, he said you talk too much. That is your problem. Useless man talking as if he owns the air he breathes. You think you are untouchable, Abi? Okay, you go soon by that Iran president bastard. Okay, that's so serious. Old man, is this how you treat your family also? Somebody is of the opinion that this is a stupid talk. Are you the owner of the resources of the country? Yes, I'm getting a lot of reactions, though. A lot of people have been wiring Femi Falana on this one. In fact, Femi Falana is on hot soup right now. As far as this country is concerned, we have said it times to that number. Nobody is actually happy again. Everybody has woken up. Yes, we talked about the fact that everyone has woken up, and what everybody is thinking right now is Yoruba nation. Either they like it or not, that's just the only solution. Baba God, there is one thing everybody is asking for, which is help us, let us separate from this country. We are tired. Oti sue everybody. Kamalon lo walua kubayo. Eledumare egbawa. All right, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what it is. Onto this one, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.